Hey loves, welcome back to my channel and happy Halloween. So today is Halloween and I had a lot of things planned. I was actually going to go to Chicago for Halloween, but a couple of things happened and I couldn't. But today I'm just cooking my pumpkin meal, actually my Kenyan themed pumpkin breakfast. Now I've never cooked pumpkin before, but I have this Kenyan friend who gave me the recipe for a simple Kenyan pumpkin breakfast. So the first thing is just to cut the pumpkin into two, and then you cut one half into like four and get rid of the seeds. And so that's what I'm currently doing. I've never cooked pumpkin before. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, but I'm excited for this. I got this pumpkin from a nearby farm and I've kept it for weeks just waiting for Halloween so I can cook this pumpkin. So I just decided to cook one half. Since I've never cooked pumpkin before, I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. So I decided to cook one half. If I ruined it, then I have the chance to cook the second one. If I didn't, I still have the chance to cook the other one some other time. So I just cut one half into four pieces and I'm just getting rid of the seeds and then the fibers that, that house the seeds or whatever. I'm not sure how much of this is part of the food or how much of this I should scrape away. But I just decided to just, get rid of the seeds and boil. Now, as far as I know, there are two types of pumpkins. There are the large ones that you carve for decorative purposes, and then these ones that are edible that you can eat them by boiling them or having a pumpkin pie with it, or put the flavor in whatever beer or whatever, or coffee or whatever it is. So this is edible and I'm washing it now. And the instructions are that I divide it into four, then they face the bottom of the pot with just enough water, and then add salt to taste. So I'm just covering the other half and then putting it in the fridge. Then pumpkin seeds are also very healthy. You can do all kinds of things with it. You can get oils or whatever it is out of it, but I didn't really mess with it. And you put it on low heat so it boils slowly. And so that's what I'm doing. I've never cooked pumpkin and I'm just following my Kenyan friend's instructions. Now, at this point, the pumpkin has boiled for a while. It's kind of soft. It's looking real soft. I honestly don't know how long I put it on fire. I didn't even check. But it was on for about perhaps 10-15 minutes and it was starting to get really soft. And I had difficulties telling when it was done or when it would be done or whatever, but I still put it on fire and then just let it boil a little bit more. So it's ready, and this is how it's looking like. And now that I know how it looks, I kind of feel like I should have gotten rid of more of the fiber, the thread looking kind of thing in the middle that was housing the seeds, because obviously that doesn't look like it's edible. Now, usually my friend told me that in Kenya you'd serve boiled pumpkin with tea, but I'm not much of a tea drinker. I am a coffee drinker, and that was okay. But usually, yes, they drink it with tea. But I'm having my boiled pumpkin with a cup of coffee. And I usually just make my coffee with a French press because I drink a lot of coffee, and making it a French press is easy. It's convenient. I can always just get to it. And I drink a Dunkin' Donut because I like the flavor. I like how it smells, and it's amazing coffee. So that's pretty much how I prepare my coffee. And as the farthest that I go is just putting a little bit of honey in my coffee, and then that's just it. So I'm trying my coffee and pumpkin. Now, I've actually not eaten pumpkin before. This is my first time eating pumpkin, but I've had pumpkin beer, pumpkin other stuff before. So I've never had pumpkin. I usually get pumpkin beer, pumpkin flavored something, but not eating the real pumpkin itself. This doesn't taste anything like any Ghanaian boiled thing. It doesn't taste like potato or yam or cassava or anything. It tastes different. I like it. It's just not your regular Ghanaian flavor. I do love it. I don't know about other people though. I can guarantee you most people wouldn't like it, because people that I talk to around here, they don't like eating real pumpkin for whatever reason. It doesn't taste good to them. But I love just the natural earthy taste that it has. That's like me. I don't like a lot of sugar in my stuff, and it has this raw earthy taste, and I really, really do like it. But this recipe is also very much East African, because I know a lot of Kenyans and people from other parts of East Africa that just love boiled pumpkin. But I'm interested to find out who else likes and doesn't like pumpkin. If you do like trying new things, definitely try this new recipe and let me know what you think. I'm not sure if I cooked it well, but I'm trying to come up with how this thing tastes like, but I don't know. I don't taste anything like yam or cocoyam, no, or cassava, no. I'm not sure how this tastes like. This is good. It's different for sure. I mean, from a West African perspective, from a Ghanaian perspective, we probably wouldn't eat this. This is a summer crop. And so by all definition, we can easily grow this in Ghana, but it's nice. I kind of like it. I mean, I do love pumpkin beer. So, Lottie is going to compare the taste of original pumpkin to pumpkin spice latte. Okay. No! I do not! Oh my god! How are you eating this? This is nice. I like it. I don't like a lot of sugar in my stuff, so I'm okay.
Oh
but
my god.
You
Starbucks likes me. I mean, the pumpkin spice latte was so delicious, but this,
I don't like sugar in my stuff. So this is definitely me.
Nope.
But what would you compare this to, like in terms of Ghanaian meals? It doesn't taste quite like yam or anything.
no, it doesn't taste like anything.
I guess that's why Ghanaians don't eat pumpkin. But
this is
like,
not
I
nice.
like it.
Trust me. I do not like this.
I like it. So my friend and I took another friend's kids trick-or-treating, and yeah, that's what we did for the rest of the day. Now, because of COVID, trick-or-treating and everything else has pretty much changed. We didn't think we were going to see a lot of people going trick-or-treating, and we did see this girl, which was kind of fun. And of course, we met other people who were nicely dressed going trick-or-treating as well. So as far as small town trick-or-treating Halloween tradition goes, I think we kind of did quite well, you know, because nobody really expected things to be this cool. So we got a lot of candy and we had some fun. So that was kind of nice and kind of fun to do. Some neighbors just set up candy tables outside because of COVID. They didn't want to have contact. Others also came out, which was kind of fun. So yeah. Just came back, and this is, oops, you can call this my pot of candy. This is full of candy that I got from trick-or-treating with my friends. Okay, I know I'm too old to have candy from trick-or-treating, but this is what we did for Halloween here inside Bloomington Normal. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done that. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.